Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna cook Christmas cookies. You will need 250 grams of butter, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of ghee butter, 150 grams of sugar. You can add more if you want cookies to be sweeter. 500 grams of flour, orange zest, I used 1 orange, vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, and baking powder. Let's get started. First, let's mix all dry ingredients. Make sure to sift flour. Now add some cinnamon, nutmeg, and baking powder. Mix it all together. Now, let's work with butter. The butter should be room temperature. Get a mixer and start mixing butter and then add sugar and keep mixing. After that, add a spoon of ghee butter. It should be room temperature as well. Then add eggs one by one. In the end, add orange zest and vanilla and mix it again. Now, let's mix flour and butter together and knead the dough. The dough should be soft but not sticky. After that, put the dough in a plastic wrap and leave it in the fridge for at least 2 hours before baking. I kept mine all night. Start rolling down the dough with the rolling pin. Do it until the thickness is about 3-4 millimeters. And now it's the most fun part of the process. You can start using dough cutter shapes. After it's ready, put it in the preheated to 375 Fahrenheit degrees oven and bake for 10-12 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye and have a wonderful time!